Hello. In this video, I will show you how to hide friends on Facebook. Now it's a very easy process. So open your browser and open Facebook on that browser. Then click on your profile at the top. Then go to the settings and privacy option. Now just simply click on settings. Now just simply scroll down and click on privacy checkup. Now just simply choose the first option, who can see what you share. Then click on continue. Now over in the section who can see your friend list on your profile, click on the public option. As you can see, everyone in my public can see my friends. So choose that option and just simply choose only me. Or if you want any specific options like any specific friend or accept friends or just friends, if you want any of these options, you can also do that. Or you can also create a custom link where only selected people can see the list. Now just simply choose only me and click on save. Then click on next. Then again next, and then finish it with the next. Then just simply click on review another topic. So that's it. Now your friend list is hidden. Thank you for watching and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.